We will see how to download Python for the Mac OS. So I'll go and select download Python for Mac. And here there are two options. Either you can click on Python releases for Mac OS. Here you can either go to the latest release or the previous releases if you wish to. Else you can just go directly to download Python and it will show the latest stable version of Python. So I'll go ahead and click this one, and then it will install Python 3.13 macOS 11.package file, which is the installer. So I'll save this, and then I can go to that particular folder, and then I can click through the installation. So here there are a few things that it says that it installs. It installs idle, which is the integrated development environment for Python, and it also includes pip, which is for downloading and installing the third-party packages. At the end of this install, we need to go and click on install certificates in order to install the SSL root certificates. So we'll go and follow through this installation process. So I'll click on continue. Here it gives more details on what are the older versions and what is supported. Click through continue. I will continue again. I will accept the license, software license. I'll say I'll agree it. And then it says that it takes 180.4 MB space on your computer. And then I'll click on install. So here it's asking for my password. Okay. So after entering the password, it allows me to install Python, and then running package scripts. And okay, so this is the folder that has been installed in the applications. So we have this applications and we have this Python folder here. So the next thing we wanted to do was to finish the installation, we have to click on the install certificates. So I'll go ahead and install that. It also says that now pip is also installed. It also says there is a new version of pip available if you wish to install that. If not, you're good. I'm good with the pip version that we have now. And then here idle, it's the integrated development environment that has come with the Python. I can just test few commands on it. Say print hello world, and I can see the hello world. I can do some regular operations on this. And this is how we can use to write the regular Python commands and test them on the integrated development environment. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to open the terminal and I want to check the Python version. And then I want to create a Python project and then run a sample Python project. So let's go ahead. So I'll quit the terminal. I'll open it again. Let's check the Python and the pip version. So Python 3, this is what we installed. Version, so which is 3.13.0, and also the pip 3 version, and it is 24.2. So now I want to create a sample Python file and run it from the terminal. So I'll create a folder in the documents, and then I will create a directory. And now I want to create a file inside the Python directory. So the command to create a Python file is touch, and then say I want to just create a regular hello world program .py. And then when I see this file. Also I can go and see this in the finder. So I created this in the documents. So in the documents, there is a Python folder, and then this is hello world. So now in this file, I can just write print hello world and see if it executes. And then I'll just go and save this file and then save. And then next thing I want to do is I want to run this on the terminal. So to run, the command is Python3 hello world.py. So this is how you see we can print hello world. So this is how you can create complex, later on complex Python programs and then run them. So I hope this video has been useful for you to download and install Python and to see how we can run the Python commands. Thank you so much for watching. We will see how